How to hide following list on Instagram. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I will guide you on how you can hide following list on Instagram, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now let's say that you have the Instagram application, you come to the profile page, you happen to follow a number of people which you don't want other people to know that you follow these people, and then you want to hide it. Well, is there a way to do that? The answer is both yes and no. You can do that to the rest of the world, but not to the people who already follow you. So this can be done by simply making your account private. So just tap the three lines option here, go to settings, go to privacy, and then turn on private account. I will tell you what this does. Whatever this does is that you just come to your profile page. If a certain person does not follow you, you have a private account. They will not be able to see your post, which includes all of the posts that you've posted, your followers, and also your following. So that is how a private account works. However, they can request to follow you, and only if you accept their follow request, they will be able to see everything inside of your account. So as long as they are a complete stranger and then they are not your follower, you don't accept them as your follower, then in that case they will not be able to say anything, which also includes the following list. Now, as of this video is being made, this is the only way to do it. If hopefully in the future Instagram might come up with this certain feature, then I will also make sure to update you about it. But so far there has not been any sort of updates. The only way you can do this is by simply making your account private. When you make your account private, you can hide it from the general world, but of course people who already follow you will be able to see it. But of course you can choose to remove them as a follower if you'd like. So hope this video helped you. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.